What's the meaning of conker? Conker. Conker.
Conker. Conker. In English culture, conker usually refers to a game played with horse chestnuts. The game involves drilling a hole through a horse chestnut and threading it onto a string. Players then take turns to strike the opponent's conker with their own until one of them breaks. The game can be traced back to the 19th century in the UK and is often played by children in the autumn months. Playing conkers is considered a traditional pastime and is still enjoyed by many today.